Yeah. Oh hey guys, so today I'm going to show you some cool stuff. Today I'm going to show you some cool commands that you can use in what's it called? Command prompt. Now I know you guys only think that command prompt is useful for like Minecraft or opening stuff on your desktop, but it's really not. You can do many things with it. Like for example, you have command prompt here, and then it can open up to whole new things like hacking, blah, 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 and then like opening and just basically just controlling. Yeah. So might as well just open a new file. No, I don't. All right. So first I'll just close this. Can't close with. There you go. All right. So first what I want to do is, of course, open up command prompt. Now, there are many things you can do. For example, I just type in CLS, so it just goes back to normal. You can type in color A to change the color of the letters here to make you look like more of a hacker. Color A just makes it green, makes you look like, you know, you're pro at this. There's color B, color C, color D. Forgot my alphabet there for a second. We'll just stick with color A. I like that the most. CLS. CLS just basically just goes back to the start, as I probably already said. Short-term memory loss. I'm sorry, but alright. So the first thing you want to see is you can just type in net and then stat. Net stat just gives you a overview of what how your computer's going on, and basically just like sets up just gives you the status of networks. That's basically what netstat means, the status of your networks. We'll just type in CLS again. Alright, so another cool thing is basically this one is in a way kind of pretty bad. It makes you look like a real hacker though, because with this one you can basically, with a simple tiny code, you can hack your whole school's system. You can basically hack your computer system in your whole school and change basically anything. So basically what you want to do is type in net user. This will give you all the users on this current computer. Choose the administrator one. So for example, type in net user and then type in help assistant, and then type the asterisk, which you can type in by pressing shift and then 8. Press enter, and here you can actually change the password for the user. So that is, yeah, you can basically hack your school's network, which you will probably get expelled from for hacking the system, and if they're nice, they will let you go on with the detention and maybe a few failing grades, but you'll probably be expelled. So don't try this in school, kids. Yeah, CLS. Yeah, close this again. Alright, CLS. Alright, so the next one is also in a way kind of illegal. I'm not gonna try this one. So you type in shutdown -I. I'm gonna show you another way that you can get to this. Open up Notepad, type in shutdown -I, and then what you want to do is file, save it to desktop, and then type in .bat. Save it, and when you open it up, you'll get the same screen. Basically, just the command prompt is just a shortcut for that. So let me just close this, close that, delete this, don't need it. Yes. All right. Now, this one is illegal, as I said, basically, kind of. I don't know if it's illegal or not, because with this one, you can basically shut down any computer in the world with this. Yeah. with this, you can all you have to do is click add, type in the user's IP address, click OK, click on it, and then whether you want to log off, restart, or shut down, whether you want to warn users of the action, basically saying whether you want to tell them ahead of time that this is happening. If not, uncheck this. If so, you can actually say how many seconds, how many seconds it will display a warning until it shuts down, and select the option. This is basically just you pick one of these to say why you want to do this, and this what you type in here will basically that will pop up when you shut down. So basically, if you want to type like an evil message saying to not mess with you next time, so you can shut down the computer. So if they're like in the middle of an essay and they're like about to finish and they didn't save, you can just like shut down their computer and just be like so pissed off. And the problem is the other person in the world can't stop it. They can't stop it. So yeah, this one's kind of really cool, but in a sense it's kind of illegal. So don't try this at home as well. Alright, so let's just open up command prompt again. Alright, now this one, you know how schools like they have a firewall against websites like Facebook or Twitter or like some game sites like RuneScape or World of Warcraft. So if you want to actually access those computers, see, to go past those computers, you have to type the IP address of the website instead of the URL, because the firewall of the schools only blocks the URL address, the one that you type into the the URL address box, but they don't actually block the IP address. So if you want to go past this, basically just type in traceRT. I did that wrong. Type in traceRT and then the website URL. So www. For example, RuneScape.com. RuneScape is just a popular MMORPG I play. Click enter, and this might take a while, so I'm going to pause it and come back when it's done. Alright, so it finally loaded for me. It took literally like 30 seconds, but still, it's pretty long for a video. So I didn't want to see you guys just like sit there, do nothing. Yeah. So basically, what you want to do is when you open up your internet, you want to type in this. This is the IP address of that website. So I know sometimes it doesn't work for some reason, and there is one bad thing I'll tell you about this thing later. But what you want to do is type in that into the URL box of your thing. So let's see what it is again. It is 216.115 216 dot, come on, 216.115, like the zombies, 115.77.137 77 dot, and I believe it's and the URL, the IP address is different every time, so that's why you have to actually go to command prompt. So I click enter. Hopefully this works. It might not. Alright, it worked. But the one downside of this is it gives you all the links and text of this website, but it doesn't actually give you the display image. So that's the one problem of this code. So that's, yeah, like I said, it's the one downside. So yeah. So, but you're already on the website. So if you want to just continue to full website if it has one of those, or just look for a link where you think it is, and then that will come to the that will show up the actual real website. As you can see here, fun game, play old school. Well, that's the only thing I play nowadays. Yeah.